So it took 3 trades and then we were done on the automated after the time window where I start creating setups anything after 8:32 US Central Time. I just shot a video for the group. I had a database issue on my NT8 here, and I shot a video for the group showing them how you can go into NT8 easily and reset database. And what happens is when you have like a tweet that went out today that affected the market, when the market's way overbought, way over leveraged, it's on a Friday, and all the big boys, all the institutional and at the global level start unwinding rapidly. You can have in NT8, which, it is an old platform, you can have packets of this data flow hit the platform can get confused because NT8's just old. And when you have the speed and rate that the data was coming in the big sell-off, in that sell-off, I was in my third trade automated short, so that put me way over daily goal. I hit 7-1. So whenever my automation turns on, I have 1 unit of risk, and I always put my target way out there, 7-1. You never know. Well, today is one of those days where it just flew down and hit the 71. I was way over daily goal and then done for the day. So anyhow, I shot a video. So if you ever have your chart look like that, regardless of what indicators you're using, it's not that hard to reset the data. So let me show you how you do that real quick. Okay, so after 8:32 time window, we ran up and did a highs retest. I was in the mom signal short, had a few sequential short trades. Signals doesn't mean anything, and they don't fire off since I'm already short. Then I had a long. The long didn't work, went to short, and then it ran down and hit my 7-1 R to R, and that account finished for the day. That one was already done. I was trading in the overnight session. So anyhow, mom signals was 1, 2, 3, and done on the day after a pretty scrub open after the 8:32 time window, which was somewhere right in here. So anyhow, now let's go look at how you do a database reset. Let's go take a look at that. Pretty easy. Go into Tools, go to Database Management, go to Reset Database, make sure the boxes are checked, hit Reset. So what the heck, I'll do it again. Hit Reset, hit OK. Then you'll get a pop-up message, and then basically you're done. You just have to restart the NT8 platform. So once you restart the NT8 platform, it'll clear out any odd, missing data or missing gaps of data or big spikes that are obviously not what actually happened. And then that will reset your database, and then you'll be back to normal on your NT8 from that point going forward. So that's the easy way to go clear out any sort of odd-looking spikes of data, whether it's CQG or rhythmic data, same process. So there you have it. If you have any questions, just let us know. And yeah, 3 trades it took today and kind of a scrubby open. And then we got the tariff news hit, and down we go. So pretty significant sell-off there today. So at least the markets have been they've been awakened, and we'll see what we get next week. Talk to y'all later.